देयर इज ऑल्सो दिस क्वेश्चन दैट कम्स अप विद अ लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स कि 10th के बाद कॉलेज में जाएं या स्कूल में ही कंटिन्यू करें. तो आपकी क्या एडवाइस है इस बारे में?
ये क्वेश्चंस ना ये जो जेनजी के जो पेरेंट्स हैं ना उनके ही होते हैं.
हाँ.
हमारे पेरेंट्स को ये क्वेश्चंस कभी नहीं आया.
That is true.
It was just that कि हाँ भाई कॉलेज स्कूल खत्म हो गई, 10वीं हो गई, अभी आप कॉलेज जाओगे. करेक्ट. एंड particularly being a girl from Mumbai, I used to live in Bhayandar. So I used to take that Virar train to go to Churchgate and where not. So I was never like, accompanied by a parent to go. I was just told कि ऐसे ऐसे करना है, ये होगा तो ये कर लेना. And then you are thrown there and to learn out things on your own. But I understand, and things are also have changed. And particularly when it comes to moving towards school or moving towards college, the decision is important on what you are studying. If you're taking up sciences, generally students prefer the integrated courses where it is pretty structured and there is a thing where you're not exposed to a lot of different things. But if the child is wanting to study commerce or humanities, I think that their social intelligence should be increased, which is preferably happening in a college, where you are meeting different kind of people. There's a different structure to adapt to. There is a totally different cream. If you feel that aap apne school ke king ho in terms of academics, so then it is important to go to college and experience the other kings also, because they have taken different people from different places. So the way of understanding, learning with those people is very different. So intellectual intellectually your intelligence increases when it goes towards to look at college. Additionally, college also handles students with those fests and makes them learn from those taking up sponsorships, finding people who would want to sponsor, hosting. So ये बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, स्कूल में भी होती है, लेकिन कॉलेज का स्केल थोड़ा बड़ा होता है. So they get an understanding कि how does the industry work. So yes, this is what my take is.
Interesting. So there are, depending on what you're choosing as subjects, it makes a difference whether you choose.
Yes.
Okay.
See, when we talk about sciences ना, तो sciences में हम 11th 12th में भी academics पे focus करते हैं. तो वहाँ पे social learning इतनी नहीं होती है. It happens definitely, but after the 12th grade, where you actually step into your graduation college and then you learn and explore and work with different people. Right. But I believe that commerce and humanities, where actually core subjects are towards learning and helping people, like for example management है, so it is better that your whole career depends around people, so better get exposed to them early. This is what I believe.
Right. Interesting. अच्छा, अगर बच्चों को इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटीज में भेजना है तो व्हाट इज अ गुड टाइम, 12th के बाद या ग्रेजुएशन के बाद?
Again, similar question. Many parents feel, because हम हमारे बच्चों को एकदम लाड़ प्यार और आंखों का तारा ये सोच के बड़ा करते हैं, तो 12th के बाद लगता है अरे यार हाउ विल शी हैंडल, हाउ विल ही हैंडल, खाना बना पाएगा कि नहीं, कपड़े खुद धोने होंगे, रोटियां खुद बनानी पड़ेगी, विल यू बी एबल टू डू इट, आई वोंट बी देयर in their difficult times and all of that, which is fair, I agree, but it's also important to train your child towards it, because eventually तो करना ही है. आप ऑफिस को घर तो नहीं ला सकते, तो जो आपको 23 में करना है, how about starting to practice in 18? अगर बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है कि we are not ready for an international thing, ask them to move outside the city. Even if anywhere in India भी अगर है बच्चा, तो वो आप कभी भी पहुंच सकते हो in case of any difficulty. So अगर आप मुंबई में रहते हो तो पुणे जाओ, बैंगलोर जाओ, find out so places where you learn and independently learn to live. हाँ, बहुत पेरेंट्स ये भी करते हैं कि मुंबई में ही रखते हैं, but they buy a house different and make them stay in a PG or things like that. So some parents are now exploring, because eventually ये करना ही है. अगर हमें sciences में जाना है तो I would recommend that earlier the better, because the way the international universities teach is very different from India. So masters में क्या होता है कि तब तक आप इमर्स नहीं हो पाते हो उनके कल्चर और उनके वर्किंग से. तो मास्टर्स ऑब्वियसली आर वेरी इज फॉर अ वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम, so you're not able to network that much and study along with it. But yes, if you're there for definitely 6 years, 4 years of your bachelor's and 2 years of your master's, you have a fair and a good understanding कि how do you function there.
Right.
लेकिन एक चीज है, अगर आप मास्टर्स में जाते हो तो कंपटीशन कम होती.
Okay.
हाँ, So because many students across the globe, they go in the bachelor's itself.
अच्छा, तो मास्टर्स के टाइम अगर एडमिशन्स के लिए अप्लाई करते हो तो थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है?
थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाता है.
ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग.
हाँ, लेकिन अगर आपको PR चाहिए, अगर आपको कुछ रेसिडेंसी के रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, तो वो सारी चीज़ें ग्रेजुएशन से करोगे तो बेटर है, जल्दी मिलता है.
राइट.
It depends, you know, how you are placed.